Today I'm here with I'm going to play Squad Deathmatch on Hainan Resort, and I will try to kill enemies with SMAW and repair tool. This gun is amazing. Oh, what the fuck? Okay. I will take my revenge. Jacket 2025. You will see that. I will take my revenge. Okay. Let me spawn on. Yes. I see. Oh, somebody. Oh, shit. Okay. Yeah, how does that feel, motherfucker? Let me reload. Of course, it takes a lot. 5 seconds or something. Okay. Oh, okay. 3 enemies. Oh, take that motherfucker. Shit, somebody got him before me. Oh, 3 guys. Oh, shit. I'm going to kill one of you. Yes. Unlucky guy. I was trying to kill his friend. Oh, 8-1. Not bad. 8-1 is not bad. Let's see. Fuck are you doing here, you fucking noob? Oh, I missed it. Okay, I got his markers on there. Oh, where the hell did he go? There? No? Fuck you. I see the grenade. Okay, you're down here. Ho ho! How does it feel, motherfucker? Anyone? No one? Oh. There's someone here. Oh. What? Poor guy. Poor guy. I'm much better than who you know. Okay. Let me do. Where are the fuck am I? Oh yeah. Okay, no one there. Probably someone outside. Need to check out. Oh, is that guy teabagging? Yeah. Let me teabag on you. Let me teabag on you. Oh. We are going to meet my motherfucking small one. Oh. Not even. He's small. Oh. Yes. Missed the kill. Good job. I need fucking ammo. I need SMAW. The guy in my team is supposedly doesn't give me ammo. Oh, I thought I saw an enemy there. Oh. Two of my other friends down. Good job, revive them. Oh, shit. Keep it up. Let me revive this motherfucker. Fuck! The fuck is going with battlefield? Oh, 2 guys. Oh shit. I was shooting the wrong guy. I will take my revenge. Oh, good job my friend. Good job. Thank you. Take that ammo. Now I'm in. Yes, take that. Oh, good job. You killed my friends. Nice to meet you. Oh. Good job. Oh, there's enemy. Shit. Oh, sorry. I'm very sorry, man. I was about to revive you, but oh, there's a guy downstairs. Move. Oh, somebody's coming. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Look, only me after. Oh, wow. Somebody revive me, please. Look at that guy. Noob. He's just wait camping. I hate campers. Stop camping, motherfucker. What? Okay. Okay, he's camping outside. Oh, 19-3, not bad. Okay, he's camping outside. Okay. Everybody is outside, I think. Nobody dares to go inside. Shit. Who's shooting at me? Fuck, what the fuck? Okay, I see you, you motherfucker, you camper. I will take my revenge. Just wait. I will take my fucking revenge, you PL dumbass. Okay, he's that way, let's go. Let's go after. Fucking camper, he's still at the same place. Okay, let me take my pistol. Yes. How's that feel, motherfucker? How's that feel? How's that feel? What the fuck? The fucking camper. Okay. Oh. Oh, somebody got him. Fuck. Wow. Wow. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay. 50. I'm team 1, actually. Is it because of me? Let's see. Okay. Oh, 22-5. Not bad. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just give a thumbs up to my video and don't forget to subscribe. Until next game.